So here on Llyn, we have many trees and hedges that are particularly bonsaied by the harsh weather that comes in through the winter months, and you quite often see them all swept over to one side, forced by the stinging cold on the leeward side. So you end up with these major trunks in one place and most of the canopy swept to the other side. So every time I come up here, I drive past trees like this, and I wanted to make a piece that played with that. And of course, I've done it in golden section proportion. I've respected the egg, but also the double circle. So the reason it's on another portal is, of course, to join the show, but also to talk about the golden ring and the secret of nature and balance in life. So we have a bifurcating tree, many different limbs, and you can also see within it quite a subtle pair of lenses, almost like two shocks of light. And so there's a very simple piece here, but there's also a lot going on if you want there to be. So it just depends how you interpret things. But welcome to the bonsai tree.